Can you give me a scream? She just did the biggest, longest scream. How are you feeling? Nina had a fever last night, so that's why we're not going to Emily and Friends. Do you need anything, Nines?
Yeah.
Watching the Nutcracker.
Mommy.
Oh, my baby. Oh, here they come, my little aminals. Oh, I love you. Turn your head that way so you don't cough on your sister. Good girl. Good girl.
Baby.
I'm just hoping Kavan doesn't get sick. Nine, no, don't hug her. So you had a fever, okay? I know you love her so much.
Baby girl. Hi, Kavan.
Hi, Kavan. So I just booked 2 nights at the Kingfisher with these 2 lovelies and Dada. And Alice is gone, the one that did the really awesome massages. She's gone. So sad. But we get to go to the pool and the spa and things like that. Hydropath and stuff like that. Thank you, Mike's mommy and daddy.
Take a picture of.
Okay. Okay. Oh, the party. Easy concept party. I also bought some mom jeans. Update. Hey, major updates here.